Xiaomi's flagship 17 series is due to get a new member soon, according to a new leak from China. This will be the Xiaomi 17 Max, which will feature the biggest battery of any Xiaomi 17 device at 8,000 mAh. Battery will support 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. The Xiaomi 17 Max is not expected to feature a secondary rear display, which is currently available on the Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max. Its rear design is said to be similar to that of the standard Xiaomi 17. The Xiaomi 17 Max is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC. The Xiaomi 17 Max will feature a 200MP 1/1.4-inch Samsung HPX main sensor, a 50MP 1/1.95-inch Sony IMX8 series periscope telephoto unit, and another 50MP ultra-wide camera. The 17 Max could be unveiled in Q2 of this year and will feature the same Leica features as the other Xiaomi 17 series phones. It is expected to feature a large flat OLED display measuring either 6.8 inches or 6.9 inches, with ultra-thin bezels on all four sides, giving it a modern and immersive appearance. Like the other 17 series models, the Xiaomi 17 Max is rumored to launch in April in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.